Are you an educational institution or government department looking to register on the Scope portal and add student details? Whether you're a university, college, government office, or training center, GIPL, Gujinfo Petro Limited, is here to help you. GIPL has developed the Scope portal on behalf of the Scope organization, and now we're bringing you a clear, step-by-step video guide to help you through the entire process, from registration to uploading student details.
Let's get started. Section 1. Process of registration. First, open your browser and visit the official Scope portal. To get started, click the registration button located on the home page. Next, the role selection screen will appear. Choose the role that applies to you, whether you're from an institution, university, department, office, or the general public. Once you select your role, the registration form will appear on the screen. Begin by choosing your district and the name of your organization. Based on these selections, key details such as the type of organization, name of the principal or head of department, contact number, and official email ID will be auto-filled. After this, you need to carefully complete the remaining required fields with accurate information about your institution or office. Make sure to review all the details before proceeding to the next step. Note: an OTP will be sent to your organization's contact number, and your username will be your registered email ID. Once all the information is correctly filled and submitted, you have successfully completed the registration process. Section 2. Login and Dashboard. Now let's log in. To log in, use the user ID and password provided after successful registration. Enter the CAPTCHA code and click on the Login button. You will be redirected to the College Coordinator panel, the main dashboard where you'll manage student data. Section 3. How to add student details. To add students, go to the menu, click on College Coordinator, and then choose the Add Student option. Under the Add Student option, there are two ways to enter student details. The first method is by manually filling out the student registration form, where you can enter each student's information individually. The second method is designed for bulk uploads, allowing you to upload multiple student records at once using an Excel file. This feature helps save time and ensures efficient data entry. In this video, we'll walk you through both methods step by step. First, manually form filling. Here you'll find a form to enter student details. You can add a single student directly from this page by filling in the required fields. Second, bulk upload via Excel. If you want to upload multiple students at once, click on the Import Student button. From here, download the Excel format. Important note: while filling out the Excel sheet for bulk student upload, it's very important to select values only from the drop-down menus provided in specific columns. Do not type custom entries or make changes outside of these drop-down options, as this will cause the upload to fail. To avoid errors, double-check all selections carefully before saving and uploading the file. Once your Excel sheet is ready, before return to the portal, rename your Excel file and click Choose File to upload your student data from your computer. Then click Submit File. The system will now validate your data. If there are any errors, it will highlight them. If everything is correct, you'll be able to proceed. Section 4. Payment and forwarding process for students. After successful validation, you'll see the list of students. Select the students you want to pay for and click Pay Now. Choose your preferred payment method and complete the payment process. Once the payment is successful, the next step is to forward students to admin for final processing. To do this, go to the Student Forward List section, and in this select the checkbox beside the student names and click on the Forward Students button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click on Yes, forward it. You'll then see a success message confirming that the student details have been forwarded. After forwarding the student details, you can view the list of forwarded students by clicking on the Forward List option in the menu. In the Approval List section, you can view important details related to student exam schedules. This section may also include relevant documents such as hall tickets or other exam-related files. Depending on whether the exam is scheduled at your college, Different types of information or documents will be shown accordingly. And that's it! Your institution is now successfully registered on the SCOPE portal, and your student data has been submitted and forwarded for final processing. We hope this video helped you understand the complete process, from registration to adding students, making payments, and forwarding the details. For more helpful tutorials and updates, stay connected with us. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.